A booking page is only worth having if it offers times you can actually run. Here's how to set one up. Everything lives on one screen. Online booking. At the top is your public link. That's what goes on your website, your Google profile, or into a text message. Start with slot duration. How long one visit takes. Set 3 hours and customers see 3-hour arrival windows. Then the gap between slots, drive time, basically, and how many bookings you'll accept in one slot. This is what stops your calendar from filling faster than your crew can move. 2 messages you write yourself. 1 for visitors outside your service area. Don't waste that traffic. Invite them to leave details. And the confirmation people see after they book. Blocked dates cover the days you're closed. Block a holiday, and the whole day disappears from the calendar. Now let's look at it the way a customer does. Same link, opened on the public page. It starts with the zip code, out of area, and they get your message instead of a booking they'd have to cancel. Then the date, the diagnostic fee upfront, and the arrival windows. These come from your technician's real availability, not a wish list. Pick the appliance and continue. Name, phone, service address, and what's wrong with the appliance. Everything you'd have asked for on the phone, captured while you're on a job. Book, appointment, and it's done. The customer gets a text message confirming the appointment. On your side, it lands as a real job. Client, address, appliance, complaint, technician, and time. Nothing to retype. Set it once and your website books work while you're under a dryer. Taskrol.com